Goldie Squad, unite!
What's up, baggers? Goldie here. Guys, I'm throwing a very epic summer party to celebrate the release of my very own maker kits. Today's video is all about the DIY light-up unicorn pillow. I promise you, you have never made a pillow so adorable. That is my Goldie guarantee.
Are you guys ready to see it all done?
Yes! Ta-da! Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute.
She is adorable, but she needs a name.
Madam Elizabeth Pinkleton V.
I would never
See,
remember that ever
I'm
in my
like
life.
short.
Eliza.
What about Dream?
Okay, Dream.
Dream.
Are we all excited on Dream?
Okay, yeah, that's
Yeah, maybe Dream Heart because she has a heart.
Dream Heart.
Dream Heart.
Yes! Okay, so I have another pillow, and it doesn't have a face. Do you guys want to make it?
Yes.
This is what comes in the kit. It comes with a heart, which we've used, and a star. And then it comes with, if you can see, the lash eyes, and then like the really fluttery, like flirty eyes. Cute.
It looks cute.
But then if you name it, then the name has to do something with
It's gonna be Star Nose. That's gonna be her name.
Star Nose? That's so literal. The other one was so
other
literal
one is
too.
Dream Heart, Star Nose.
I'm low-key obsessed with this.
Star Nose.
Owl nose.
How about like Becky?
Becky's cute. We have Dream Heart and we have Becky.
Guys, we are artists.
We are creators of pillows.
You guys want to play a game?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna admit, it's a little tough. But are you guys feeling tough?
Yeah.
Yeah! Okay, let's do it.
Woo!
This is definitely like harder than I thought it would be, but I have a plan. Are you guys ready? Goldie Squad,
Activate!
Goldie
Squad, activate! Let's teach you how to make it.
That was a DIY light-up unicorn pillow. If you guys want your own, make sure to go to Amazon or GoldieBlox.com.
Make sure you leave a like and subscribe.
Make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss the rest of our slumber party.
And comment down below what you're gonna name your unicorn.
Goldie Squad, signing
Signing
off.
off.
Bye!